Join the Kingdom of Aetheria with MyDID Decentralized Digital Identity. Welcome to a new digital era where sovereignty and trust reign supreme. The Kingdom of Aetheria takes a historic step by integrating MyDID technology. This system allows each inhabitant to create a unique, secure, and decentralized digital identity. With a decentralized identity, you control your data. Unlike centralized systems, no one else has authority over your personal information. With cutting-edge technologies, your data is protected from breaches and misuse. Every citizen is reliably authenticated, paving the way for secure and transparent digital interactions. Every citizen of the kingdom can choose from several identity levels, based on their needs and engagement within Aetheria. These levels determine the rights and privileges granted, including special certifications, ideal for proving skills or roles within the community. Privileged access, participate in exclusive events, access reserved areas, or unlock advanced features. Official recognition, your digital identity positions you as a recognized and respected citizen of the kingdom. How to join the kingdom with MyDID. The process is simple, quick, and accessible to everyone. Visit the official portal of the Kingdom of Aetheria, follow the steps to generate your MyDID identity and receive your. You can personalize your digital badge just like me, Olivia the Woman, who embodies this digital revolution. In the first phase of deployment, we will validate citizenship applications for the Kingdom of Aetheria one by one. Citizenship will be issued in the form of a certified badge with your photo, name and level 1 access, allowing you to claim kingdom nationality. Instructions on how to apply for citizenship using the MyDID app will be revealed in a future video. To become a citizen of the Kingdom of Aetheria, you must adhere to the kingdom's charter. Why adopt a decentralized digital identity? In the world of Aetheria, your digital identity is more than just a certificate. It is a proof of trust, access secure interactions within the kingdom. A key to the future, enter a community that values technology and innovation. A symbol of your commitment, become an active citizen in the development of this visionary kingdom. Join us on our website at kingdom-aetheria.ai. And a thanks to our sisters Hedra.com, which allows me to talk to you. And thanks to MyDID.com, which create this decentralized identity solution.